Capsim Capstone Round 1, Step-by-Step Guide to Score Top Results. Introduction, Hook and Purpose. Hello and welcome to this comprehensive video guide on how to dominate Round 1 of the Capsim Capstone simulation and set yourself up for a perfect score of 999 out of 1000 by the end of Round 8. In this session, I'll walk you through the step-by-step decisions you need to make in R&D amp winking and laughing, marketing, production, and finance to outperform your competitors right from the beginning. Let's dive straight into the most important actions for Round 1, starting with your preparation and analysis. Step 1. Analyze the industry conditions report. Know your market. Before making any decision, open the Industry Conditions Report, ICR. This report is your key to understanding what customers in each segment want, how fast each segment is growing, and what performance and size changes are expected over time. There are 5 market segments in Capsim. Traditional low-end, high-end performance size each has a unique growth rate, e.g., low-end might grow 11%, high-end 16%, etc. You'll find this data in Table 1 and Table 3 of the ICR. Backhand index pointing right tip. From Round 1 onward, update the performance and size of 4 out of the 5 products every round to move them closer to their segment's ideal position. This shift improves customer satisfaction and sales. Step 2. R&D amp winking and laughing. Update your product specifications. Let's move into R&D amp winking and laughing. Research and amp development decisions. Use the data from the ICR to adjust each product's performance and size to move closer to the ideal point. Remember that performance must increase, and size must decrease slightly every year to match shifting customer preferences. You should update all products except your low-end product, which requires updates only around rounds 3 and 7, because customers in that segment care less about tech specs. If you want to win big, consider adding a new product in Round 1, especially in the low-end segment. This can double your market share in that category by Round 4. Backhand index pointing right keynotes for R&D amp winking and laughing. Use Table 3 of the ICR to find the exact ideal spots. Be careful with reliability and revision dates. Don't set the revision too late in the year or you risk missing sales. Step 3. Marketing, price, promote, and forecast accurately. Next up is marketing, one of the most critical functions for early success. 3.1 Set the right price. Price your products within the acceptable range for each segment. Use the Courier report from Round 0 to see how your competitors price their products and adjust slightly below to gain market share. Example price ranges: traditional, $28 to $32 low-end, $18 to $23 high-end, $34 to $44 performance and amp, size, $31 to $41 3.2 promotion and amp. Sales budgets in Round 1. Set your promotion and sales budgets to $1,200 each for all products. This helps build awareness and accessibility. You may spend slightly more on traditional and low-end segments, as they have the largest market size and fastest early return. 3.3 Sales forecast, most important part. To calculate your sales forecast, follow these steps. 1. Open the Courier report Round 0. 2. Find the number of units sold for each product. 3. Multiply that number by the segment's growth rate. 4. Add 5 to 10% buffer to avoid stockouts. This gives you a realistic sales forecast for Round 1. Step 4. Production. Plan efficiently. Once marketing is set, go to the production module. Here's how to plan your production. Use your forecasted demand from the marketing module. Subtract any leftover inventory from Round 0, found in the Courier report. That gives you your production target. Capacity planning. Adjust your capacity if needed. If you expect strong sales, increase capacity early. If not, consider selling excess capacity to reduce idle costs. Automation. In Round 1, begin investing in automation, especially for low-end, raise to 6.5 traditional, raise to 5.0. This reduces labor costs long-term, although it slightly increases R&D amp winking and laughing revision time. Step 5. Add a new product, optional but powerful strategy. Want a head start? Add a 6th product in Round 1. A good place to launch is the low-end or traditional segment, Pick a name like AB2 or AC2. Set launch date early in the year to sell quickly. Use similar performance/size specs as existing low-end product but with better price or position. By round 4, this new product could become your best-selling unit and push your company into first place. Step 6. Finance. Fund your strategy. Let's talk money. In round 1, you likely won't have enough cash for all your investments. Here's how to raise funds. 1. Issue long-term debt, safe and gives you immediate cash. 2. Issue stock, dilutes equity but brings more funds. 3. Use short-term debt, riskier, but helps avoid emergency loans. Check the pro forma balance sheet to make sure you don't run out of cash. Avoid negative ending cash at all costs. Optional step, HR and TQM, unlock in round 2 or 3. If your version of the game has human resources and TQM modules, don't worry about them in round 1. Start investing small amounts from round 2 onward to reduce labor costs and increase productivity. Summary, round 1 decision checklist, white heavy checkmark R and amp winking and laughing update 4 of 5 products performance and size skip low end in round 1 set revision dates early in the year add new product in low end, optional, white heavy checkmark marketing set competitive prices within range $1,200 for promotion and amp. Sales budgets calculate realistic forecast using Courier plus ICR add 10% buffer for demand white heavy checkmark production schedule based on forecast, inventory increase automation in low end and traditional sell often used. Capacity white heavy checkmark finance raise funds via stock and long-term debt use short-term debt only if necessary avoid emergency loans monitor pro forma ending cash. Final tips for success. Download Excel forecasting tools to speed up calculations. Free templates are available online. Work as a team if this is a group simulation, assign roles to maximize efficiency. Study competitors via Courier report to stay ahead in pricing and capacity. Make bold, smart moves in round 1, because early momentum defines the rest of the game. Closing, thank you for watching this detailed round 1 walkthrough for Capsim Capstone. Follow these steps closely, and you'll be on the path to 999 out of 1000 total score. If you found this video helpful and would like personalized guidance, or if you want free access to Excel forecasting files and additional tips for all 8 rounds, feel free to reach out via email listed below or check the links in the description. Wrapped gift if you need help, email bahelp2002@gmail.com, free support for R1 and R2 visit capsimguide2021.blogspot.com for updated winning guides book a one-on-one Zoom session to learn all-round decisions in detail, email wincapstone2012@gmail.com, wishing you good luck, great profits, and market dominance in your Capsim journey. See you in round 2.